Okay. I got you on the video, jacking.
Just leave it running.
I don't know what you're doing under there, but I'm trying to get under there so you can keep videos.
This is where I hurt my hand. This is why my hand hurt.
In your head, too. It's back there. There you go.
I don't need that.
Okay.
I already showed it. I'm just going to edit it later.
Your glasses.
Yeah, just try not to step on those.
I put them in my pocket.
I'm going to put that. Try out that coffee maker.
Oh, not yet. He just brought it in. Do you smell the kitties, huh? I can't get in there.
Show what it looks like when I put the gun on it.
Oh, I'm good. I sit down all day long at home. I take care of my mom, and so I'm just stuck at home usually.
the 15 route. Brenna, go ahead and take this. Here we go. That one's out.
Let me see if I can get from the top. I see hands.
Good, I'll show what it looks like from the top. That's a 13. See the 13?
There we go.
Okay, now go over there. We didn't have a toaster. We got a coffee pot, but
his daughter went and played bingo and won a crock pot. Right before.
Wait, smells?
Yeah.
And my grandpa used to drink it like solid black. And he gave me it's terrible.
It's so bitter.
that's nasty. I wouldn't do that
It's
either.
so bitter tasting when it's just. Can't get in there. Trying to see your hand.
You're still videoing?
Yeah.
Just show these bolts. That'll be fine. Okay, now look down here.
Now you're trying to pull the pulley out?
The mount.
I don't. What was this?
What? Okay, now, just stay real still. Now, look up here. Real close.
I can't tell, Kevin. You're pinching the hose.
Yeah, exactly. I've gone far enough. Now look back down here.
I was about to get the bolt out. Is that the crank bolt? What is that?
This is a motor mount bolt.
Oh,
And
okay.
here's one in the back. Look.
He's cute. My daughter has a part pug and part beagle. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, we could use this definitely, especially on the cold days when he's out working.
Yeah.
Here, take this.
When it snows, I hate when.
So now I'm going to show everybody how to line it up. Showing myself how to line. That cam back there should be, that cam looks good. That cam back there should be down. It should be down a little bit, so it must have skipped the tubes while it was running.
Hard to see.
Yeah, it has a nice sunny day, doesn't it? Did you turn the is the light on? Look on the
No,
inside.
I don't need the light on.
Okay.
It's plenty bright enough.
All right, you can move it. Remember on the crank, one notch to the left, because after you put your belt on, you put your belt on from the right. You want to actually put your belt on right here, bring it up around here. When you get, there's going to be a water pump here. Come up around here. Go around here. Now you're going to have to take a 18 millimeter on this nut right here. 18 millimeter right here. This one right here should stay still, straight. This one over here, you got to lift this up and hold it in this position. Otherwise it just keeps flinging. Once you get the belt right around here, there's a little lip right here. If you've got a small pair of vice grips, clip them right here. Clip them to hold the belt still. It'll tighten all this up and hold it tight on the right side. This side has to stay tight. Once this is tight, you've done it right. As soon as you pull this around, comes around another pulley right here, and then it comes back around to the crank. You slide everything on. This will move forward when the tensioner goes. This will click that way. It makes sense. And this will come up just a little bit when you put the tensioner on. So that'll be perfect. And that's the way you align that. This right side over here, there's the valve cover sitting right there. Valve covers in the back. If you look at that line under there, this line on this cam will be straight with it. This one over here is going to face down. That notch is going to face down, and this notch is going to be straight. Okay? That's it. Now right there. Hold it right there.
Damn, it did chew it up, didn't it?
Yeah, took a big old chumber. This side is tight. Can you see down here? 18. There it is. And it'll be right on. Put your finger right there. Just hold it down. It's fine.
My oldest boy's air conditioner went out just right after I won it. That was $5 grand.
Boy, yeah, just to keep him cool.
I'll pay you back, Dad, I promise.
You're still waiting, right?
Let me go over here because I gotta.
Oh, let's put the clamp on.
Yep, we're not going to start it till this clamp is removed.
Works a lot better if you got a key.
Well, give me time to video this. So when you're looking at the cams, I've actually got this a whole tooth away. On the bottom, it's lined up. Yeah. I can't believe we got it first time. That's kind of funny. I guess exactly. Who knew that would be off almost a whole tooth, not just a...
It's amazing.
Yeah, half a notch will not. We'll let it start. Here, stop the video, young one.